Guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, where you can find beauty and lifestyle videos. And in today's tutorial I'm back with another eye makeup tutorial, and this time it's the classic gold eye makeup look with a feline liner, perfect for any occasion or even the upcoming Eid. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm going to use a concealer brush to blend that all well, and then I'm going to set that in place with Colourpop setting powder in the shade Translucent. For this eye makeup look, I'm going to use 35H Hotspot palette by Morphe and the shade called Off the Grid. It's a beautiful orange, burnt orange shade, bright also. So I'm going to use that on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to blend that all well as my transition shade, and I'm going to slightly wing it out as well, and I'm going to reapply the shade till I'm happy with the color payoff. Now next, because this looks a little too orange, I want to go with the next shade called the Caffeine Buzz from the same palette, and I'm going to blend that over this orange color so that I get a nice brown shade. I don't want it to be too orange or too brown as well. So next I'm going to go with LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to cut the crease all through my eye, like the full cut crease. So I'm going to go slow and steady. I've used a darker concealer shade here. You can use any concealer of your choice. So cut your crease, and I'm going to wing it out as well. Now for that golden pop, I'm going to use the shade called Poppy from that palette, and I'm going to apply that over that concealer. I have not set my concealer because I want it to be slightly sticky so that it can catch this golden shadow. So it looks light now, but you can go over it with your fingers for maximum intensity. See how beautiful this golden looks like. So I'm going to apply that all well till I'm happy with how that golden color looks like. And next I'm going to go straight to do my brows with Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. That's all. Next I'm going to work on my dark circles. I'm going to use Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm going to blend that well and set it with some Colourpop setting powder in the shade Translucent. For the brow bone highlight and inner corner highlight, I'm going to use Balm's Mary Luminizer. You know how much I love that highlighter. Next, on my lower lash line, I'm going to use the same orange shade first and then the other shade, and I'm going to blend that all well so that it looks nice and smoked out. Now working on my upper waterline, I'm going to use Maybelline's Colossal Kohl in black. It's a beautiful dark black kohl. And for my lower waterline, I'm going to use Wet n Wild's Calling You Buff nude liner, and for my eyeliner I'm going to use NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. I love this product because you can create the thinnest liner possible. For this eyeliner, I'm going to go not straight upward to the end of my brow, but outward and down, and I'm going to create a feline liner. So I'm going to elongate my inner corner as well. I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm going to load that mascara. You can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. I just love how the way the eyeliner looks like. I love this look. So, and voila, this is the final look, you guys. A beautiful classic gold eye makeup look, perfect for the upcoming Eid or any occasion, as I always say. So do give it a try, and do let me know in the comment section below if you like my videos. So don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, guys, to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well at Shimmers and Polishes. There are many more videos. I'm going to link some of the videos during the video, so you can click that and check out my channel. And guys, I love you all, guys, so please show some love by hitting that subscribe button, and do let comment, because if you comment and let me know what is good, what is bad, I can improvise on my work. And I love you all, guys. Thank you all. Take care. Bye bye.